having trouble finding or managing your watch history on Instagram? If videos you've watched are not appearing, your activity history seems incomplete, or Instagram isn't tracking viewed content correctly. In this video, I will show you how to fix watch history on Instagram. The first thing you have to do is to go to Instagram app, as you see, and you will tap on this application. Then here in this window, you will move to the sign of profile. We click on profile. As you see, here in this page, you will move to this sign on above. Then in this list, you will tap on your activity. You will go to your activity, and then here you will find watch history. So you tap here and you can see your watch history. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to